Hey lovely, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your Cheryl. In today's video, I wanted to share with you my honest review of Coco Eve Hair Mask and this super chic 90s baby hair high ponytail that is still gonna be so trending in 2021. Before we move on, if you could like and subscribe, it will really help me out. And let me know in the comment if you've tried Coco Eve Hair Mask before. If yes, how is your experience with it? And if no, would you be keen to try it out? And I'll link down everything in the description box. I already washed my hairs, and while my hair is still wet, I am going to be applying this hair mask from Coco Eve. It comes with this tangled tamer for the applications and a microfiber towel wrap, which I'll be showing you in a short while. Now I'm gonna scoop a portion of the hair mask using my tangle brush and start applying on my wet hairs. And keep brushing it all over my hairs to make sure the product is spread evenly. As you know, this is my favorite hair mask. I've been using it for years myself, and I honestly love the results so much because of how smooth and healthy my hair has become after using it. I have a hair care routine video up on my channel. You can see how much I love this product in the video. I will link it at the top right corner and you can check it out after this video. The reason why Coco Eve Hair Mask is so hydrating is because they have this raw virgin and fix as their key ingredients in the hair mask, which are known for their hair performing qualities. It can hydrate your hairs while still maintaining the volume, so it basically moisturizes your hair without waving it down. You will see this in the end. Once I'm done spreading the hair mask all over my wet hairs, I am gonna go ahead and wrap my wet hairs with their microfiber towel. And look how cute is this towel. It has this small button at one end corner and a hook on the other end corner, so that when you wrap it around your hair, you just need to hook it on the button to secure it. Then I just leave it for about 10 minutes before I rinse off with warm water. Now that I have washed off my hair mask, I just use my towel to squeeze out the excess water from my hairs. I don't rub towel against my hairs because it will cause frizziness. Time to add in some hair oil from OUAI and apply it on my wet hair. I usually use about 1 to 2 pumps hair oil depending on my hair condition. And I absolutely love this hair oil from OUAI. It makes my hair very soft and smooth. I like to brush out my hairs to ensure no tangling before I blow dry my hair. And I go very gentle with my hairs when I blow dry because I do not want to cause any frizziness. Last but not least, brushing it off using the paddle brush from GHD. Look at my hairs right now. You can literally see and feel the difference after just one wash. And my hairs are so smooth and hydrating. It has zero tangling when I'm brushing my hair. It works like magic to my hair, and the coconut smell, it's amazing. It is 100% vegan and cruelty free, which I absolutely love. And now let's move on to today's super chic 90s baby high ponytail. It is super simple and easy to do. Simply gathering all your hair up into a high ponytail with the help of the brush. I like to add in a drop of hair oil to help me smooth out my baby hairs and brush the side of my hairs to ensure all hairs are picked up into the upper ponytail and secure it at the back of your head. Giving it a few hairspray from OUAI, fixing the baby hairs and ensure the ponytail is slick. Then go all over it again to secure my high ponytails with 2 elastic bands. For the front part, I'm going in with my hairstyling stick and the spoolie on my baby hairs at the front to create this small curvy baby fringe on the side to elevate the 90s baby high ponytail look. Do not skip this part, it makes a lot of difference to your high ponytail. Going in with my GHD hair color to start curling my ponytail at the end to give some wavy volume for some 90s vibe. And there you have it, the super chic 90s baby high ponytail that is so simple and easy to do. I absolutely adore this hairstyle. It is the perfect summer hairstyle to add into your current favorite. And my hair looks so healthy and voluminous thanks to Coco and Eve hair mask. If you're looking to add this into your hair care routine, I have a special discount code Rocha, and for you to enjoy this cheeky discount, I'll link it in the below description box for you. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and click the bell notifications for more videos like this in the future. If you're looking for more hair tutorials or hair care routine, I have a playlist at the top right corner. I hope you will keep on watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!